Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Authenticator time sync issues. If you're experiencing issues with Google Authenticator, time sync might be the culprit. The first step is to check the time settings on your device. Ensure that your device is set to the correct time zone. Next, confirm that the date and time are accurate. After that, find the setting for automatic date and time. Make sure this option is enabled. If it's already on, try disabling it and then re-enabling it. This can sometimes prompt your device to refresh its time settings. Now, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap on the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Look for the option labeled Time Correction for Codes. If it's set to off, tap it to enable time correction. This will help synchronize the time on your authenticator with Google's servers. Next, go back to the main screen of the Google Authenticator app. Choose the account for which you're facing time issues. You should see the verification code displayed. Attempt to use this code to log in to your account. If the code still isn't working, try removing and re-adding your account. To do this, open the Settings menu in the app once again. Select Transfer Accounts. Then, tap on Export Accounts. Follow the prompts to save your account details. After exporting, delete the existing account from the app. Now, you can re-add the account using the QR code or manual entry option. Scan the QR code from your service provider or enter the key manually. This will generate a new set of time-synchronized codes. Test the new codes to see if they work properly. If issues persist, ensure your device's software is up to date. Check for any available updates in your device's settings. Installing updates can resolve underlying issues affecting time sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.